If you have spent any amount of time in the realm of science, you probably know who this man is. Charles Darwin. You have probably also heard about his finches, a sort of animal that has become almost as ubiquitous in the realm of science as, for example, Pavlov's dog or Schrödinger's cat. So why exactly does science care so much that a bunch of birds on an island somewhere have such wildly different beak shapes? The answer is the question of why. Why did these birds, who originally belonged to the same species, all change so much and in such different forms? Had it been evolution, should they have not actually developed in the same way? No. The answer is absolutely not. You see, these finches arrived on the Galapagos Islands, a place where they had no natural enemies, which was quite fortunate for them. So, of course, the population thrived. Unfortunately, while the population of the finches grew, the amount of food did not. This caused the birds to start adapting to more specific sorts of food. I mean, if you have to compete with all other birds for a vast array of food and all be relatively mediocre in obtaining them, wouldn't it be a much better strategy to just specialize in one sort of food? And so they did. Some birds adapted to eating large, hard-to-crack seeds, and therefore adapted to have stronger, larger beaks as evolution took its course. Others adapted to eating insects, growing sharper, pointier beaks. Some even learned how to use tools. This phenomenon when, for whatever reason, a species splits up into different groups, each specializing in a different niche, and therefore evolving to be better adapted to said niche, is known as adaptive radiation.